In this digital age, we are all bombarded with data at lightning speed. Knowing which information is the most meaningful, well, that's the difficult part. We believe the more digital the world becomes, the more people matter. That's where partnering with MSC Industrial Supply Company comes into play. With over 75 years of experience in metalworking and MRO supplies, our dedicated associates bring deep insights that improve operational performance. We deliver one of the broadest and deepest offerings with more than 1.5 million products from thousands of top suppliers. But having technical experts who identify the right products for your needs provides even greater value. We get supplies to you when and where you need them through our world-class website and distribution system. But having the largest and best team of metalworking experts provides even greater impact on productivity. Inventory management solutions help improve efficiency, but our supply chain pros dig deep to reduce hidden costs and improve the bottom line in a bigger way. Every day, we work alongside our customers to solve their biggest challenges on the plant floor. We can do the same for you because people matter. MSC, built to make you better.